Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Justice Thomas Okosun from Competition and Consumer Protection Tribunal don sama MultiChoice Nigeria ₦150 million fine. Okosun, wey be chairman for the three panel, also order MultiChoice make e provide 1 month free subscription for im customers wey dey use DSTV and GoTV. Na one lawyer, Festus Onifade, sue MultiChoice after dem announce say dem don increase their subscription rate starting from May 1st, 2024. The tribunal no allow MultiChoice implement the new price until dem finish court case, but MultiChoice don challenge the court order. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Trust. Secretary to the Government of the Federation (SGF) Senator George Akume don call on country pipo make dem remain calm inside dis economic hardship because President Bola Tinubu dey work to improve economy wey go make life better. Akume tok dis one come outside yesterday wen e dey address the National Executive Council of Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN). Akume explain all the steps wey government don take to find solution and also caution labour unions so that dem no go take step wey go dabaru all the effort wey Tinubu administration don take. E say dis current administration take over country wey don already collapse as e take foreign reserve and other sector do example. E say dem no manage dem well. Out of all the sector wey dem take over, na only subsidy dey difficult for people to understand. E say make people no dey shout again because they need to know the truth. Akume say dis current administration don take quick action to implement palliative wey dem take caution the effect of dis reforms. E say part of it na the 35,000 naira wage award for workers. Dis one mean say 30,000 naira minimum wage and 35,000 naira on top. Also, 100 billion naira for CNG fuel bus wey help reduce transport money and food price. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Trust. The dealers of liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) wey everybody know as cooking gas don talk am come outside say na the ban wey federal government ban the export make the price crash from 1,500 naira per kilogram to around 900 naira per kilogram. Cooking gas dealers under the aegis of Nigerian Association of Liquefied Petroleum Gas Marketers talk am when dem go do courtesy visit to the Minister of State for Petroleum Resources (EPO) for Abuja. Na February 22, 2024 news carry am say federal government don ban the exportation of LPG so that country people go get plenty to use for Naija, wey come make the price come down. Dem tell LPG producers in Nigeria and key stakeholders inside the industry make dem stop to dey carry am go sell for outside the country after the price fly go up. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Na yesterday the presidency deny the report say federal government dey propose 105,000 naira as the new minimum wage. The special adviser to the president on information and strategy, Bayo Onanuga, tok say the report na fake. The report follow the presentation of the cost wey go cost government to implement new national minimum wage to President Bola Tinubu for presidential villa. Na Minister of Finance Wale Edo submit the template to the president along with Minister of Budget and National Planning Atiku Bagudu. Edo confirm say im don submit the template as e assure everybody say no wahala anytime dem call am for question about the figure. We hear say Tinubu don dey review the proposal. Very soon dem go do official announcement, but dis development don cause different talk say finance minister propose 105,000 naira inside the template e submit. Onanuga deny dis claim on top im X handle. E say the news dem dey carry about am no dey genuine. Meanwhile, tripartite committee on national minimum wage don postpone meeting till today as the template on the new minimum wage never dey available. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. The president of Nigeria Labour Congress (NLC) Joy Ajaero don dismiss the report wey tok say organised labour dey demand ₦105,000 as new minimum wage from Nigerian government. Ajaero say di ₦105,000 minimum wage no be from organised labour. Ajaero tok dis one inside press conference afta di tripartite committee meeting wey happen yesterday. Di meeting, wey involve all committee members, last for 3 hours inside closed door. Ajaero say dem still dey wait for wetin government go present to dem as new minimum wage. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. After Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) collect licence from Heritage Bank, reality star Mercy Eke don cry out for help say she get over ₦100 million for her account with Heritage Bank. Eke explain say she open di account sake of say di bank sponsor di 4th edition of di Big Brother Naija show wia she win. She also blame her account manager wey sweet-talk am to fix her money with di bank, despite say e already know di issue di bank get. Na yesterday Eke write am put for her X handle say im no know as e go take react to di issue, as im dey hope for di best, before she come #Heritage Bank. Her fans don react with many questions, but she say she don submit notice to di Nigerian Deposit Insurance Commission (NDIC) so dat she go see her money collect. Meanwhile, NDIC say dem don begin di process wey dem go take refund customer money. Dem explain say dem go start with pipo wey get ₦5 million and below. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.